Welcome back, everyone, to the Lakeland and Black Valley Railroad. Right along beside me is my own personal GP9 1413, and its sister 1415 just delivered some empty coal hoppers to Black Valley. We got a monstrous train here because we're a little behind schedule. We weren't expecting the Baltimore and Chesapeake Railroad until around 7 a.m. this morning, and it's currently 12:50 a.m. and they are literally arriving right now. And this train just departed Lakeyard, and it is monstrous with loaded coal cars and mixed freight. And it has to get up the Blue Cliff very fast in order for it to take it away. We stopped in Central for a crew change and a refuel, and now it's on its way to Blue Cliff. So we quickly threw together some random freight cars for it to take. They were expecting to pick up some freight cars, but they don't have an exact idea of how many freight cars or what they're going to pick up. So we decided to give them quite a few, along with some loaded coal hoppers. I also just received word that this has an ST60 as a DPU. Here it comes. With a loaded coal hoppers, and there's the random mixed manifest. Like I said, we weren't expecting the Baltimore and Chesapeake Railroad until 7 a.m. later in the day, but no, they decided to come early, very early, and caught us by surprise, so we just randomly threw that train together. They needed the loaded coal cars, and they wanted some freight cars, so we gave them a lot of freight, but that normally means we're probably going to get a ton of freight back for storage, but oh well. What can you do? I hope you guys enjoyed this video on the Lakeland and Black Valley Railroad, and I'll see you all later, and hopefully we don't have any more surprises.